Are your Facebook friends not appearing in the Candy Crush, or you can't send or request lives from them anymore? Here's the fix. First, log out of Facebook completely from inside the Candy Crush settings. Then, go ahead and force close the app fully from your recent apps. Then, reopen Candy Crush and log back in into the Facebook fresh from the login screen, and give it a few minutes after logging in from your friend list to repopulate, since this can take longer than expected the first time. If your friends are still not showing, open the Facebook app
विदेशमै
directory
बसेर
and
पनि
then
यसरी चत्त
go
परेको
to your settings, scroll down to apps and websites, and check that Candy Crush has permissions to access your friends list specifically, not just your basic profile. Some Facebook privacy settings restrict app access to friends even when the app itself is otherwise connected. Also, confirm your friends have Candy Crush installed and are also connected on Facebook from their end, since the feature only works when both sides are properly linked. So, all you gotta do is log out and reconnect to Facebook Fresh. Check your Facebook app permissions for friend list access. Your friends reappear, and that's it. Subscribe.